Welcome to Product Guide Hub. The best bathtub kit is probably one of the most transformative additions you can make to your bathroom, offering a complete solution for a fresh, modern look and enhanced functionality, turning your everyday bathing experience into a luxurious retreat right in your own home. Number 5. DreamLine Encore Semi-Frameless Shower Door. Introducing the DreamLine Encore Shower Door, a semi-frameless design that adds a touch of elegance to your bathroom. Its sleek profile complements any modern aesthetic. Experience seamless functionality with its smooth gliding bypass system. Opening and closing your shower door has never been easier or quieter. Crafted from 5/16-inch thick certified tempered glass, this door ensures both durability and safety. It's built to last and provide a secure shower enclosure. Featuring DreamLine's exclusive ClearMax coating, the glass resists water spots and stains. Keeping it clean and clear is effortless, maintaining its pristine look. Designed for versatility, it can be trimmed for width adjustment and accommodates uneven walls with its adjustable wall profiles. This ensures a perfect fit for your bathroom. The sophisticated satin black hardware finish adds a modern and bold statement to your shower. It's a perfect complement to contemporary bathroom designs. Enjoy peace of mind with a lifetime limited manufacturer warranty on the door and a 3-year warranty on all hardware finishes. Quality and reliability you can trust. What we like. This option boasts a sleek satin black finish and a smooth gliding bypass for effortless operation. If you're looking for a modern aesthetic and easy access, this is a great choice. Its adjustable width makes it versatile for various shower spaces. What people say. The full frame style also has stops and guides so you don't feel like it will break every time you open and close. Very sturdy and precise feel that makes you not worry about breaking it. The doors on this one don't run away either if you let go accidentally while closing. They will smoothly glide a few inches to a guided composite stop area. Very secure feel. Rollers for the glass doors are in an enclosed track frame to not allow foreign material build-up, but still open enough to not allow mold to build either. It has a very smooth feel that should last longer than those with exposed yo-yo-shaped rollers. Number 4. Palisade Grey Oak Vinyl Plank Shower and Tub Surround Kit. Introducing the Palisade Shower and Tub Surround Kit. These vinyl wall tiles offer an elegant look with a no-mess grout appearance, making DIY installation simple and cost-effective. Each plank measures 46.7 inches by 7.2 inches, allowing you to cover large areas efficiently. This makes your renovation project faster and easier to complete. The kit includes everything you need: multiple cartons of planks, corner trims, J-trims, L-trims, adhesive, and sealant. It covers up to 81.5 square feet and arrives conveniently packaged. Crafted from durable PVC, these tiles are built to last. They are resistant to moisture, sunlight, and washing, while their lightweight nature simplifies cutting and installation. Featuring interlocking edges, they provide a secure fit to prevent moisture from entering. For complete waterproofing, a simple application of sealant ensures a watertight seal. What we like. Featuring elegant, DIY-friendly vinyl planks in a gray oak finish, this kit is perfect for a quick and mess-free upgrade. If you're a homeowner looking to update your tub surround yourself without the hassle of grout, this is ideal. Its large plank size means faster coverage for your project. What people say. Easy install and absolutely beautiful, transformed my entire bathroom and made my shower a spa-like experience. Great quality, easy to work with. Use the incredible glue that comes with the set, it's amazing. Color is realistic. Love how easy it is to install. Love that you can buy a kit that includes everything. Number 3. DreamLine Encore Semi-Frameless Bypass Tub Door. Introducing the DreamLine Encore Bypass Tub Door. Its semi-frameless design offers a sleek, modern look for your bathroom. This door is designed to fit most standard tubs, with adjustable width and out-of-plumb capabilities for a perfect fit, even on uneven walls. Featuring DreamLine's exclusive ClearMax coating, the tempered glass resists water spots and stains, keeping it looking pristine with minimal effort. The double sliding bypass design allows for convenient entry from either side, providing a smooth and effortless experience every day. Completed with a beautiful chrome hardware finish, this tub door adds a touch of sophistication to any bathroom decor. Enjoy peace of mind with a limited lifetime manufacturer warranty, ensuring lasting quality and performance. What we like. This bypass tub door comes in a classic chrome finish and offers a double sliding design for flexible entry. If you prefer a timeless look and need a solution that can be installed on either the left or right side, this is a strong contender. The adjustable width ensures a good fit. What people say. This was easy to install with 2 people and took about an hour. Great door, pretty easy to install and adds a nice finish to the new shower. Number 2. DreamLine Aqua Ultra Frameless Shower Door and Base Kit. Experience the sleek and modern look of a frameless shower door. Its design brings a touch of elegance to any bathroom. Enjoy a generous 39-inch walk-in opening for comfortable access. This spacious design enhances your showering experience. Crafted with quality 5/16-inch certified clear tempered glass and a scratch-resistant acrylic base. It's built for safety and longevity. The anodized aluminum U-channel provides up to 1/4 inch of adjustment for a perfect fit. A support arm ensures added stability for the stationary panel. The low-profile white base features a CUPC-certified acrylic finish that resists stains and slips. Cleaning is simple, ensuring a safe and pristine shower. The striking chrome finish on the hardware complements the clear glass beautifully. It adds a polished look to your shower enclosure. What we like. This is a complete kit including a frameless shower door and a low-profile shower base with a scratch and slip-resistant finish. If you're looking for an all-in-one solution that offers a clean, modern look and prioritizes safety and easy maintenance in the shower, this kit is an excellent option. The left drain base is a specific feature to consider. What people say. The bathtub is designed with a sleek, modern aesthetic that complements any bathroom decor. Installation was straightforward, and the kit included all necessary components for a hassle-free setup. The walls are made of durable, high-quality material that is resistant to scratches and stains, ensuring long-lasting beauty. Number 1. Pop SANITARYWARE Black Rainfall Shower System. Introducing a premium shower system designed to transform your daily routine. Crafted with top-quality metal parts, it's built for durability and lasting elegance. Made from a combination of stainless steel and brass, this set is non-corrosive and features a sophisticated matte black finish. It's designed to complement any bathroom decor beautifully. Experience a consistent and powerful rain shower thanks to our air energy technology. It ensures a satisfying experience, even when water pressure is low. This comprehensive set includes everything you need: an 8-inch shower head, a handheld shower head, a shower hose, holder, arm, and mixer valve. It's perfect for new home renovations or as a thoughtful gift. We stand behind our products. If you have any questions or concerns, our support team will respond within 24 hours to ensure your complete satisfaction. Please note that this system is not compatible with other brands' valves or cartridges. Ensure the old shower valve is removed before installing this kit for optimal performance. What we like. This shower system features a Rainfall shower head with air energy technology, ensuring a powerful shower even with low water pressure, all in a stylish matte black finish. If you're renovating your bathroom and want a luxurious shower experience without compromising on performance due to water pressure, this is the system for you. It's also a great option if you want to match a modern, dark aesthetic. What people say. The bathtub kit is a complete package with walls included, making installation straightforward. The design of the bathtub kit is modern and sleek, fitting well with contemporary bathroom aesthetics. The walls are durable and easy to clean, maintaining their appearance over time. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.